This small puppy was found alone on the street. He was weak, cold, and searching for food. His eyes showed fear and exhaustion. It was clear he had been struggling for days. Every step he took was a struggle, yet he never gave up hope. But he was not ignored. Someone stopped and decided to help. The puppy was carefully lifted to safety, finally out of danger. He was given food, water, and a warm place to rest. Gentle hands and kind words helped him feel safe for the first time. Slowly, his trust began to return. Now this little one has a second chance, not just survival, but a home and a future. Would you help a puppy in this situation?